Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing skip counting. Skip counting is new to us, so I thought I'll introduce it through some fun and colorful activities. Today we are starting with skip counting by 2 and the first activity is called the skip counting chart. For this activity, I made a simple chart on a white sheet of paper with numbers 1 to 50. Now we're doing skip counting, that is counting by 2s. So that would be 2s, 4s, 6, 8, 10. And then we could also use this for skip counting 5, that's 5, 10, 15, 20. All my son had to do is color the numbers with skip counting 2. That is, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Skip counting is simple counting by a whole number other than 1. To skip count, we keep adding the same number each time to the previous number. So for 2, we add 2 more, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. For 5, we add 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Skip counting is a mathematics technique taught to help kids to increase their number knowledge. The second activity, we call it reaching home soon. On a white sheet of paper, I drew a track from 1 to 30 and asked my son to skip count to 2 and make the boy reach his home sooner. Being able to quickly and fluently skip count is also an important part of building number sense because it helps kids to see patterns with numbers. Being able to recognize number patterns will help them with their fluency and flexibility with numbers. The next activity is add the missing numbers. To make it a little fun and more colorful, on a white sheet of paper, I drew some caterpillars and wrote some numbers. He had to skip count to 2 and fill in the missing blanks. I just would like to add, for activities like these, you could add the sheet to a sheet protector and use dry erase markers so you can use the sheet as many times as you like. There are so many benefits of skip counting. It helps in developing fluency in calculation. It helps in developing the base of multiplication and division. Skip counting also helps kids to do counting in their head rather than using fingers. And skip counting also helps in day-to-day activities like counting money. And the next activity is sequencing the cards. For this activity, using a white sheet of paper, I made postcards from 1 to 50. And he had to sequence these numbers in order using skip counting 2. This activity is not as simple as it looks. It required a lot of concentration and patience as well. Simply working in a few minutes of skip counting drills or activities like these every day can make a huge impact. We can start off by easier skip counting activities like these, and as our kids get more fluent, we can make them harder. We can make them harder by changing the amount they are counting by and starting with more complicated numbers or even counting backwards instead of forward. The next activity is solving the number 2 puzzle. For this activity, I made the puzzle from number 2. I stuck the paper on a cardboard and cut the pieces. He had to join the puzzle pieces and make number 2. Learning concepts like these through purposeful movement allows the synapses in the brains to make connections. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.